So Startup Week powered by PNC is a week-long celebration of entrepreneurship at Penn State. Startup Week is for all students, and Startup Week provides them an opportunity to network with speakers from across the globe, attend hands-on events, panels, sessions.
Not everyone wants to start a business, launch a startup, but a lot of students want to get into an existing business or startup and work their way to those executive levels or network. And Startup Week is the best for this because you're meeting entrepreneurs and intrapreneurs from all different industries and connecting with their alumni, which really brings a diversity of thought and helps us get better insights into the real world.
I think people should be excited for it because it gives students the chance to not only see how far some alumni have come when they come to give their speaking events, but also you can use that as inspiration. If them as alumni can make it that far with their businesses, why not you? I think it's really cool to see what students have done so far. It's just awesome to see those businesses flourishing and having the students and the State College community as a whole come out to support them as well. That was really cool.
We did the pitch not only for the prize, but also for the experience, being there in front of people and launching our business idea. Having this opportunity allows us to meet advisors that we can contact, and also we got funding through the pitch. I truly recommend the experience because it allows you to go outside your comfort zone, and it will help you to grow not only your business, but also you as a person will grow how you present your ideas to the people. It's a really extraordinary experience.